Is your engine struggling to breathe, sputtering, or blowing black smoke like an old chimney? You might be dealing with a P0107 trouble code, which points directly to your manifold absolute pressure, or MAP, sensor. Think of this sensor as the lungs of your car's computer system. It measures the pressure or vacuum inside your intake manifold, so the computer knows exactly how much load the engine is under. When this code pops up, it means the signal voltage coming from that sensor has dropped below 0.25 volts, which is way too low. Basically, the computer thinks the engine is in a state that is physically impossible, so it panics and messes up your fuel delivery. This is why you are seeing poor fuel economy or having a hard time getting the car to start. To fix this, you are going to need a multimeter. First, finding the sensor is key. It is usually right on the intake manifold. With the key on but the engine off, you want to see about 4.5 to 5 volts on the reference wire. If you do not see 5 volts there, the computer is not sending power or a wire is broken. Here is a massive pro tip specifically for Chrysler owners. If you are missing that 5-volt reference, do not condemn the computer just yet. A shorted crank sensor or even a vehicle speed sensor can steal that voltage from the whole system. Unplug those other sensors one by one and see if your voltage comes back. If you do have power, jump the 5-volt wire to the signal wire and check your scan tool. If it reads max voltage, your wiring is good and the sensor itself is likely toast. Finally, give the wiring a good wiggle test while the engine is running. If the idle changes when you move the harness, you have found a loose connection. It's a bit of detective work, but solving this brings your engine's power and efficiency right back to life.